Hey, Phil,
Hello?
what are we going to make today?
Barbecue wine chicken.
No, Phil, there's no wine in it.
Oh.
Right, so for our, what is this called? Barbecue sauce chicken, we need chicken breasts, barbecue seasoning, barbecue sauce, russet potatoes, sour cream, cheddar cheese, baby spinach, red wine vinegar. See, this got wine in it.
Where?
Red wine vinegar. Green onion. He's got the green onion. And a julienne carrot.
Onion in a sleeping bag.
Onion in his
Look at that.
Onion in his sleeping bag.
Where's the plastic? Is it?
A little bit, yeah. Okay.
Alright.
So step one, preheat the oven to 450
What?
degrees.
Our oven doesn't go up that much.
And that would be 230 on ours.
Really?
Yeah.
230.
230. Okay, I'm just gonna put this up here. So we have it here. Okay, so that's what and once we get that done, now wash and dry the potatoes.
Are we baking them?
Yes.
Oh, right, okay. So I need some oil and salt and...
No, not that kind of baking.
Oh, wow.
No, we're gonna do different kind of baking.
Thank you.
Oh, you have a knife.
Right.
Yeah.
Wash and dry.
Okay, wash and dry the potatoes. And then you're going to cut the potatoes into 1/4 inch rounds. So coins. We're making potato coins.
Yeah.
1/4 inch thick.
Yeah, the plastic.
Thank you.
So I'll give you nothing. Right, I'm drying these off.
Mm-hmm. And then we're cutting them into 1/4 inch coins.
1/4 inch.
Yeah.
Oh, it's about 1/4 inch. So that's an inch, isn't it? Is it? About 1/4 inch.
Yeah, I think so. This is like an action shot.
Oh god, that one was a bit thin.
It's
Sorry.
alright.
Uh-oh.
It's
Getting
okay.
near the end, I'm gonna chuck my fingers off and all that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Careful. It's a bit thin, all these two a bit thicker. Okay, that's one potato.
Okay.
Bloody potato. Is it potato bad? Oh, what the? Good gracious me. The Canadian potatoes.
Maybe I should have called them potato wheels.
Oh.
Okay, you got them into coins.
Yes.
Okay, now add the potatoes and 1 tablespoon of oil to a parchment-lined baking sheet.
Yeah.
And then season with salt and pepper and toss to coat.
Put the potatoes on first?
Yep, put
And
the
then the
potatoes
oil?
in a bit of a heap.
In a heat.
Yeah, because you're going to want to
Why,
put the
why
oil.
can't I put the oil in the dish and oil them then if you're going to do that, eh? What?
Yeah, well, I suppose you could do that if you wanted to.
Oh, Christ. Here it goes.
Do you
Right,
need-
where's the oil? Alright, what? Yeah. How many?
1 tablespoon.
Crikey, Moses. Is that all you want? 1 tablespoon of oil?
That's it. This is eating healthy. And some salt and pepper. Hey, 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 hey.
What?
And some salt and pepper. And then you just toss them around to coat them.
Does it say how much?
No.
Salt and pepper?
It just says season. Season with salt and pepper.
Oh, sugar! Quick! What should I do at the top?
Good thing we didn't catch that on camera or anything.
No. Don't tell anybody.
Want it in there.
Yeah, go on, chuck them in there. No airs on it.
Andrew, no, I was.
That's yours, honey.
That's mine. Okay, I'll remember that.
Ooh. Right. Ooh. Crikey, how much oil did you put on here?
Right.
The cheapest.
Tablespoon goes a long way, doesn't it?
Holy smoke.
Good thing you didn't
Yeah,
add any extra.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, have I done this good enough?
Yeah, you've done
Right,
that. That's
okay.
fine.
Oh, let me add
Okay.
this.
That's all right, because they're going to get, you don't wash them yet, because now you got to arrange them in a single layer on this sheet.
Oh, Phil. Oh, that's me OCD.
Okay, just let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Right, okay.
Okay, arrange them on a single layer.
Don't you? Oh, there you are. That was just about the right size. Look at that.
Perfect.
Hey.
Perfect.
Oh.
Yes, it did say if you were making this for 4 people, you would use 2 more potatoes, 1 potato per person, and put them on
How
2
many?
different sheets.
How many potatoes did they send us?
2.
Well, the jug then. We're on 14, wasn't it?
Right?
Huh?
That's right.
Well, it could have been embarrassing if we had company.
Okay, so this is going to roast in the bottom of the oven for 23 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
But our oven is not temperature yet.
All right, well, put it to one side.
Yep.
Just washing your hands.
Okay. And in the meantime, we can go on to the next step. I'll just move the potatoes over here, and they can hang out over there. So,
Does anything else need seasoning?
yeah,
Oh, right, okay. You've
So-
got this there already.
yeah, that's good because we're going to use it right away.
Right.
Thinly slice the entire green onion, both white and green parts.
Thinly slice. Give that one a haircut.
Right?
Which way, long ways?
No.
I better wash it off, haven't I?
Yeah, I would. I think we'll wash all of it. Right. In coin again. This is just sort of like a treasure hunt. We're going after the golden coin.
Right.
Okay.
Thinly slice it.
Thinly sliced.
So why so short?
No, in coins. Yeah, like that. That masterful cutting. I really need to find like a sponsor that provides knives.
Yeah.
Right? What's that
Yeah.
commercial that's always on?
I don't know about those Japanese
Right?
samurai swords or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
That'd be handy.
Yeah.
If you're a Japanese samurai sword guy and you're looking for somebody to promote your product, we're not above bribes. So, sure. Okay, so that goes in your little dish there.
This dish.
Yep.
With the oil in
Oh, wait. No, it does not. In the white dish, put the vinegar,
Yeah.
a teaspoon of sugar.
I can't get it. These are pensioner proof.
They're pensioner proof?
Oh God Almighty! How'd you do?
Here, hold that.
Oh. Oh, hang on a minute. There's something in the way.
Oh, yeah, it's your finger. There you go.
You got oil all over yourself.
Yeah,
haven't you?
vinegar.
Oh, dirty.
Mm.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, so vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar,
Helps the medicine go down. Teaspoon.
teaspoon of sugar,
Teaspoon.
and a
Oh,
tablespoon of oil.
That's strong, that, isn't it?
The vinegar.
Oh, crikey. Take your breath away. Oh. Spoonful of oil.
Okay.
Helps the medicine go down.
Use your little whisk.
Well, alright. Here we go.
And give that a bit of a stir.
Right.
Okay, now add the carrots.
Oh.
Should I get the scissors?
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
Here's the scissors.
Okay.
And you don't need them. Okay, so add the carrots to that.
Well, they do like the old, dressings, don't they? Oh my God, how that boxy plastic bloody bags. Jesus Christ. Oh,
Okay. Season with salt and pepper.
what about the onions?
We're not doing those yet.
Yeah, salt and pepper. Yeah. Okay.
And then using a fork, combine the whole stuff, whole mixture together. And this is our marinated carrots.
What happened to your onions?
We'll get back to the onions. The onions are just chilling. We're doing prep work here. Haven't even started cooking.
How long does this take? Did you set the time?
No, there's no time yet. It goes until we're ready.
Yeah, but... Okay, I've done this.
Okay, so now you need to so that takes 10 to 12 minutes. That takes another 6 minutes. That's 18. Okay, we are going just a little fast. we need to get our potatoes into the oven.
Oh. Oh, right, okay.
So we're just gonna slow this. Hey, perfect. This is time for you to tell a Southwestern chicken joke.
What?
Don't you have a Southwestern chicken joke?
No.
No? Why did the Southwestern chicken cross the road or anything? No. Okay.
I haven't come here to be laughed at.
As a who?
I said I haven't come here to be laughed at.
I almost said nobody's laughing at you, but you could wash the spinach.
Right.
And we also have to wash and dry the chicken. So, what the heck do you do with the onion?
Is it chicken you got, is it? I thought it was pork.
Gotcha. Okay.
Is it chicken?
Yeah, chicken breast.
Oh, I thought it was pork.
No, but it says you could swap it with tofu or
Oh, bloody blue, that is.
chicken. Chicken thighs. I mean, I don't know why you couldn't do this with, like, pork. Like a nice pork loin or something, you know?
Yeah.
You need to wash and dry the chicken.
Not one of them chickens with the 4 legs, is it?
No, it's
Oh, I had
not.
hell of a job catching that one.
No.
Where? This is it?
What? Yep.
Hello? Oh. Oh, I better get the thing out then, don't I? Oh, got that in there.
What? You can put the spinach in that bowl. You had the potatoes with the oil and whatever and whatever.
Really?
Yeah, because it's all gonna go in that big bowl anyway.
Right.
I'll just look here. Oh, we're sitting at 2:05, and what did I say we had to get to? 2:30. Oh goodness, this takes forever.
Wash that out. It's garbage.
Is there a reason we're running the tap?
Washing the chicken.
Yeah, but
Well,
it's not on the chicken.
oh. Just made a nice effect.
Oh, it was pretty.
Someone's knocking at the door.
Yes, I
You
see
better
that.
go and see who it is.
All right, let's
Where's
start,
Sandy?
start this again.
Where's Sandy?
Hi, Harley. Do you want to go outside? No? Okay.
Is he eating his tea?
No.
Oh, he's looking. He's
Yeah,
looking.
I was just there and he walked away from me. Sigh. Okay, let's try it again. Hi, Harley. Do you want to go
He's
outside?
looking. Right, is it got me dried off?
Yep.
When do I start cooking it then?
No, well, not yet. Once we put the potatoes in. Oh, we're close. We're at 220.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What happens now then?
Pat your chicken dry. And once your chicken is patted dry,
Yeah.
season it all over with salt,
Yeah.
pepper, and barbecue seasoning,
Oh,
which is this one.
okay.
So oh, there's our potatoes. Our potatoes have to go on the bottom of the oven.
For how long?
23 minutes to start with. They have 2 trips in the oven. So
Salt, pepper, and what?
barbecue seasoning
On the chicken.
on the chicken.
And it does say salt and pepper, does it?
It says salt and pepper.
Both sides?
And we can turn this on.
Pepper. Both sides?
Yeah, both sides. Too hot. Too medium heat. Okay. We're turning this on to medium heat. We do a lot of cooking in our wok. It's like the best dish we have. You can cook anything in there. And you got the barbecue seasoning?
This is it, is it?
Yep.
Is you sure?
Yes. It says barbecue seasoning on it.
Here.
What?
Dog's barking.
Yes, he is. I'm guessing somebody's walking by with another dog.
Oh, you better go. Make sure you get past the. Oh, he's just run past the door there. Barking still.
Sounds like it might be Lucan.
Is it?
I don't know. It's kind of a Lucan bark. Excuse me. Harley. Hey. Harley. I don't know. Harley. Come on. Come on. Good dog. No.
Uh-oh.
He's down in the backyard now. He's running all the way to the other gate.
Right.
Yes, we're that neighbor. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Yeah.
Does it say
No, just flip.
touch it with your hands or?
Yeah, well, yeah. Better than your teeth.
Is that too much?
I don't think so.
Is that alright, or do I have to
Nope, that's good.
massage it?
Nope, that's good. It doesn't say massage.
Are you
it.
sure that?
What?
It smells like curry sauce.
It won't be curry
Huh?
sauce. Probably not curry sauce. Okay. Add a half a tablespoon of oil
What, the
to
chicken?
to your hot pan,
Half a tablespoon.
half a tablespoon. Okay, and then the chicken. And we're going to sear it until it's golden brown. So you put it in for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip it over. Up until then, you don't
How
touch
long's this
it.
been on for?
Well, since, I mean, it's hot.
And you flip it over when?
After 2 to 3 minutes.
Tell me when you think that's hot enough.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably.
Yeah, what's the other baking tray doing here?
Well, because it said we needed 2, but I think that was if you had 4 people. We don't need to.
This is on?
It says it's supposed to be on medium.
Right, okay.
Okay, don't put the chicken until I get back. I have to get His Highness. Here. Oh, the wind is picking up. Yeah. Turn off the lights. Maybe nobody will think we're home.
Ready?
Okay, so you're going to put the chicken in, but you're not going to touch it for 2.5 to 3 minutes. Right? So, one side of the pan, the other side of the pan. There you go. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Oh, we do need a second one. So you need to put a piece of parchment on the other, onto the other baking sheet.
Right. Right, what's that then?
Because we're going to put the chicken, transfer the chicken from here to the parchment and into the oven it goes with the potatoes. So it just has to be big enough for the 2 pieces of chicken.
Sardine card or those cards?
It's parchment paper.
What is that?
There is no chamois dough.
This is it? Is it smooth side, isn't it? Oh no. Oh, I think this is...
No, I don't know. It's just paper.
Right.
Just paper.
How many minutes is that then on that?
Well, you have 1 minute and 20 seconds. See, I set you a timer. When the timer goes off, you can flip them over. We want them to be a nice golden brown on.
So do I.
Pretty big pieces of chicken.
What's happening with the onions then?
They go on top of our potatoes when our potatoes are done.
Is it time for one yet?
Oh. Oh, no. No. Not time for wine yet.
Oh. You leave the table?
Yeah, so we can do that. You're going to be flipping things here in 13 seconds.
I know.
Time is going to go off. Okay, so
Right.
flip them over. Oh, lovely. Okay, and that, so I won't move them around. And then we set the timer again for 3 minutes. Okay. So, what's going to happen is we're going to, after our 3 minutes is up, we're going to take those and we're going to put them on that parchment, right? And then on top of them, we're going to put the barbecue sauce, wherever that went. That. And then they're going to go in the oven, and we'll move the potatoes like long ways over, and we'll put the chicken in there, and with any luck.
How long before? How long?
Well, the chicken goes in for 10 to 12 minutes, and that should be about as much time as the potatoes are still needed.
Okay.
If this is timed right.
Oh,
What?
barbecue sauce.
How is it?
Chuck it up like a zookeeper's boot.
Like what? Oh, that's nice. So we have this another time. That's a cooler and a half, isn't it? 1:30.
We've got sour cream here.
Yeah, that goes on our potatoes after too. So we're gonna take at the very end, we take the potatoes out, we sprinkle the cheese on them, we put the potatoes back in, and then melt the cheese on them a bit, and then we pull them out, and you put them on a plate, and you put sour cream and those cut onions on top of the potatoes. Looks nice, doesn't it? You think so?
Yeah.
So far this is pretty easy.
Yeah.
Okay. That's 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and it needed 2 to 3 minutes. So you can take them out of there anytime you like and put them on your bacon sheet. Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah. So now,
That's hot.
yeah, watch, that's hot. So now you take your barbecue sauce
Right.
and you put it on the top.
Top, over.
Yep.
Oh god. Oh, so a bit more runny, isn't it?
And then you might have to get like a spoon or something and kind of, spread it around. It's okay if it drips off the sides. That's ideal.
Right.
Okay, now take a spoon and just kind of, smooth it around like you were icing a cake. Only it's a chicken.
Right.
Okay.
Is that enough on that?
Yeah, that's perfect. Very good. Very good. Okay, now you need your oven mitts because you need to move your potatoes because we've got our potatoes in sideways. So you need to move your potatoes so that there's room for 2 of those. Okay, and in those go. And we should have 10 to 12 minutes left on the timer. Oh look, and we do. We have 10 minutes. So, which is okay, because what's going to happen next is after the 10 minutes is up, we're going to pull the potatoes out. The chicken can stay in there. We're going to pull the potatoes out. We're going to sprinkle the cheese on them. We'll put the potatoes back in, and everything will cook at the same time. Right?
Right.
Okay, so,
just preparing the cheese.
okay, so now we actually pause because we have 10 minutes. So we'll see you back here in 10 minutes.
I ain't got a
Oh, there's the timer. Perfect. It's amazing how that works, isn't it? So we'll cancel that and we'll press timer to click.
Was that
Cancel
the
that
timer?
one. That was the timer.
Oh.
So now we're going to pull out the potatoes
Pull out your potatoes.
and we're going to sprinkle them with cheese.
Sprinkle cheese over your taters.
Yeah.
Alright, have I done with the wok?
Yeah.
Right,
Get your
here we
oven
go.
mitts. Don't try and lift that without your oven mitts. Very hot. Safety tip.
Right, ready?
Yep. Do it.
Oh, nice. I'm taking butter.
Okay.
Now what am I
Check.
going to do? Cheese.
Sprinkle them with cheese.
Don't forget, that's hot.
Yes, that's hot. Don't touch it. It's hot. Okay? Huh?
I did a video back along about how to sprinkle cheese.
Did you?
So if you look back and I'll pin it up here somewhere.
Don't touch the pan.
No?
It's alright. You pin it up.
Yes. Yeah. Oh. Right, okay, here we go then.
Okay, and
Back
it
in.
goes back in.
Oh.
And then we turn the oven light on because we have to watch the cheese. 2 to 3 minutes if you want to set a timer.
Just want to keep the oven free. Right, 2 to 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here goes then. That's on the timer, isn't it?
No, that's the temperature. Okay. Now, while that's doing its thing, we're going to finish making our salad.
Right.
So in the bowl that you have the baby spinach,
Right.
put the marinating carrots.
All in there?
Yep.
Right.
And then using 2 spoons,
Right.
mix it around so it gets all combined and lovely.
Right. Okay.
You want to make sure all that baby spinach gets coated with that dressing and everybody in the pool. I don't know that I've ever had baby spinach and carrots before.
No.
You know what would be good in there? Some walnuts.
Wine. Wine would be
Wine.
good in there. Wine is excellent in there. Wine is good on there. Here, where's the onions? Have I
The
got-
onions go on the potatoes, not in the salad.
Alright, okay, this is,
Okay, so that's done.
well, just, you think so?
Yeah, it looks all coated, doesn't it?
Well, it's just doing a bit of me old watercress with a great big lump of carrot on it, you know?
Oh, I
I
see.
mean, that's just not,
I see
you
what
know,
you mean. You're just, right,
you know, it's got to be.
evenly distributed.
Yeah,
Okay.
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 That goes on the table?
Well, it can go on the table or we can put it right onto our plates. It's up to you. It's, we got 40 seconds on our cheese here. Oh, cheese is definitely melted.
Right.
Cheese is definitely melted. Okay, so everything can come out.
Right.
The chicken and the potatoes can both come out. You can do one at a time or you can do them both, whichever you like.
Don't forget there's barbecue sauce still left in there.
Yeah, okay. Just gonna move.
Where's the sour cream going?
The sour cream goes on top of our potatoes and you dish them onto the plate.
When you dish them onto the plate?
Yeah, just because you dish them into kind of a heap, right?
Right.
And then you put sour cream on your heap.
Why is the beeper going off?
Because the timer's there.
Okay.
Okay, so press timer to shut that off.
Right.
There we go. Okay. So now we're going to serve up our potatoes. So half the potatoes onto each plate. Don't touch the pan, it's hot.
Oh, this is going to be fun, isn't it?
Yeah, well, that's why you put them into a heap. Presentation film. Put your oven mitt on so you don't burn yourself.
Oh, of course, he nearly jumped off the bloody plate off. Christ. Oh, come on, play the game. Come on. Blighter. Right, okay.
Okay,
That's that.
yeah. And now a piece of chicken.
Piece of chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bring your plate over.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you put
Show some of the juice.
sour cream on the potatoes and sprinkle the onions on
Do you
them.
want some of this juice?
No, I'm alright. I got enough on mine.
Now you get the sour cream.
Sour cream. Mm-hmm. You're going to put it on your potatoes. And then we're going to sprinkle the onions on top of that. And we'll see you at the table. Voila! Here we have Southwestern barbecue chicken. And let's see what we think.
Mm. Potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Mm. Mm. Tangy chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a bit. Oh. It's a bit tangy. Oh. Mm.
Good?
Mm.
Excellent. Bon appetit.